What makes the tap water to reach the speed of Mach 1, which is the speed of sound? What generates the force capable of cutting through everything? The machine is only a tool. To generate this force, you'll need a pump that I would like to tell you about. There are two solutions available on the market: direct drive pump and intensifier pump. In this episode, I'll describe both of them. Let's start with the intensifier pump. It consists of three basic systems: high pressure system, low pressure system, and the hydraulic system. Let's take a look inside. The electric motor drives the variable displacement multi-piston hydraulic pump. Right next to it is a gear pump for the oil cooling system. Then, from the hydraulic pump, the oil flows to the hydraulic manifold where the electronic system manages the directional control valve which sets to motion the hydraulic piston. Located in the intensifier where the water is compressed to high pressure. But how does the water get there? At this point, the journey of tap water to obtain high pressure begins. First it goes to the supply pump, the so-called booster pump, which increases the inlet water pressure up to 6 bars in this case. Then the water passes through a 3-stage filtration that captures solid particles. Next it goes to a membrane water tank which eliminates pressure surges in the system. After that the water reaches the intensifier, which in this case consists of 2 sections, left and right. Between them is the hydraulic piston that moves the plungers compressing the water to high pressure. From here, high-pressure water flows to the high-pressure attenuator responsible for stabilizing the outlet water pressure reaching the cutting nozzle. Now let's take a look at the construction of the direct drive pump. It also consists of 3 basic systems: high-pressure system, low-pressure system, and in this case a transmission system from the electric motor to the crankcase. Let's look inside. Operation of the direct drive pump starts here. The electric motor drives the crankcase commonly used in car engines with a belt. And this is where high pressure is generated. And how does the water get there? At the beginning the water goes to the charge pump that generates similar pressure, then to a 2-stage filtration. Next, trough the manifold, the water supplies the high pressure sections, where high pressure is generated through reciprocating movement. Then in this high pressure manifold the pressure stabilizes the pressure before it reaches the cutting nozzle. The intensifier pump uses indirect drive realized trough a hydraulic system, and to fill that system you'll need 150 liters of hydraulic oil. To cool this oil you need a powerful radiator. Direct drive pump uses a direct belt transmission from the electric motor to the crankcase. And like every motor it needs lubrication, and for this purpose it needs exactly 8 liters of mineral oil. While the cooling system is realized by so-called flow heat exchangers, which are located inside the high-pressure section. Regardless of the type of the pump, we achieve the same goal: narrow and precise jet stream on the cutting nozzle. Question for you: what do you think? What affects the efficiency and quality of work on the machine?